Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to design or create an annual report for your patients, students, colleagues, or anyone else you need. So it's a really simple annual report, where you'll provide details about how he or she has performed over the year. It's a very simple process, and on Canva, it's really easy to create. You can do it yourself, even if you don't have any design skills. It's really easy to use Canva, so let's get started. To create your annual report, if you have no design experience or ideas, just use the search bar. Type Annual Report in the search bar. This search bar lets you find a range of ready-made templates that you can easily customize to create your own design and add your own details. For example, maybe this one looks good. You can explore more options, and if you find one that works for you or matches your brand or expectations, just customize that template. For now, I'll go with this one. Now I have full access to make any changes I want. I'm able to modify anything I like. If you want to change an image, just click on it and go to the Uploads section. From there, you can upload your own images directly from your computer. For now, I'll stick with this one, or maybe I'll choose this one instead. In this way, you can easily replace or change images in the template. If you want to edit the text, just double-click on it and you can type whatever you like. Like this, you can change anything you want. If you want to change text color, just go to the text color section and simply change it. And if you want to undo or redo, here is the option. In the same way, you can change whatever you want. If you want to replace the image with your own, just change it and follow the same steps to customize whatever you like. It's very simple to adjust everything. You can add your own email, phone number, and website. So after you've finished customizing your template and all the pages, you're ready to export it. To export, go to the Share menu and select Download. If you want to print it, PDF print is best for printing. And if you want to share it as a photo or an image format, then PNG or JPG are available. Video format is also available. So in this way, you can easily create your annual report for anyone you need, following these straightforward steps. If you have any questions about this video, just comment below. I'll answer all your questions, and I'll see you in the next video.